Hi everyone. So in this video session, I'm just going to solve one question from analog electronics or analog circuit. Okay. This question has been asked in GATE 2020 in instrumentation paper, and the topic was diode, right? And whatever concept we have discussed in the classroom, that the same concept I'm going to apply, and you will find that surprisingly, I'm just going to solve this question in 20 seconds. Okay? So let us see that. So this was a question for 2 mark. Okay. Assume the diodes in the circuit shown are ideal. Okay. The current Ix flowing through the 3K ohm resistor in milliampere rounded off to 1 decimal places is. Okay. So many students, whenever they look at multiple diodes here, right? So they might get lost into the idea they will not be able to solve this question, or they might consume a lot of time also. Okay. बट अगर आप मेरा क्लास अटेंड किए हो इन एनालॉग सर्किट इन पर्टिकुलर, सो यू गाइस कैन डायरेक्टली सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या रहेगा. You have to just see, okay, in the arrow direction, the current is flowing like this. Okay, you see here. Okay, and direction of the diode is also, diode is pointing, you can say from right to left. Okay, so what you can do here is you can just see the potential difference. Okay, you just take 15 and you take 6. If 15 you take or 12 you take, you just take the potential difference. Check the potential difference. Forget about everything since your diodes are connected in parallel, right? Okay. So one of the diode has to be on only. Not all the diode can be on, because if all the diode will be on, then there will be a KVL violation. Okay, in the circuit. Understand? These things I have discussed already. So if you notice here, 15 and 12, the difference is 3. Approximately, you can just say, right? Forget about drop across these 2K and 3K and all, right? What I want to check here is which diode is going to be on. Okay, while finding the ix, okay, value, okay, through 3 kilo ohm, what are the diode which are on. Understand? So how to identify that the diodes are on, which diodes are on, right? So what you can do here is you can always find out the potential difference, right, across these. Okay, so 15 and 12, that is 3. 15 and 6, that is 9. Okay, 10 and 12. So 9, I think, will be 15 minus 6 is 9, right? Yeah. So 9 is going to be the maximum potential difference, right? So what are the branches? What are the diode which are going to survive here? Okay, survive in the sense that they will be on and they are ideal, so they will be replaced by short circuit, and other diodes will be removed by open circuit. That is what the idea is. Okay, so we can say that, if you try to look at this and this, okay, 15 and 6, so the difference is 9, right? So you just say like this is 2K. Okay, forget about this now. Okay, this will not be on, this will not be on, this will not be on, because diodes are connected in parallel, right? So not all the diodes can be on. So whenever this kind of question will be asked, okay, and this kind of connection that we have done, uh, okay, whenever we try to design digital gates, okay, so we always connect diodes in parallel like this. Okay, understand? So I think you guys might have seen an in analog circuit. Okay, so these diodes will be off only. So when the diodes are off, you can replace them by open circuit. Understand? They are in reverse bias, and since the diodes are ideal, so life is quite easy. So the answer is going to be what? This is 3K, and you can say this is 15 volt, and this is 6 volt, and this is Ix. So what is Ix here? 15 minus 6 by 5K. So this is 9 by 5K. Okay, and if you try to divide this, you will get 1.8 milliampere. The answer for this question is 1.8. Since they are asking you to find in milliampere, okay, so this question was there for 1 mark, and you see we are able to solve this question in 20 second or 1 minute, right? Maximum. So what is the logic that I'm telling you? You have to, whenever this kind of connection will be given, already this kind of question has been asked in gate. So whenever diodes are connected in parallel, right? So you have to see, okay, start from the starting point, in the direction of the diode, you move, okay, and take the reference. There might be ground also. Okay. So reference and the input voltage, right? Check the difference. The maximum potential difference. The branch which is having maximum potential difference, that diode is going to be on only, right? I hope this makes sense. So this is how we solve the question, right? Thank you. Keep learning.